To get the free notes of electrical circuits, check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. Current division. Question: a voltage source and two resistors are connected in parallel as in the given circuit. Suppose that Vs is equal to 150 volt, R1 is equal to 50 ohm and R2 is equal to 25 ohm. Find the currents I1 and I2 in each resistor. Here in this circuit, we have to find this I1 and this I2. The value of this voltage source Vs is given. Here we can see this R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. So the voltage across them will be same. So therefore, Vs is equal to V1 is equal to V2. So let's solve it. Solution. First of all, let's write Vs is equal to V1 is equal to V2. Here we can see the polarity of all the voltages are same. The value of Vs is 150 volt. So it will be 150 volt. Now here we can see this I1. So I1 is equal to current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. So here we can see voltage is V1 and resistance value is R1. So here we can see V1 is equal to 150 divided by the value of resistance R1. The value of resistance R1 is given, it is 50 ohm. So this will be 3 ampere. So therefore I1 is equal to 3 ampere. Now next we have to find the value of I2. So I2 is equal to, now here we can see this I2 direction is opposite to this V2. So this direction is negative. So here we can write minus, then voltage divided by resistance. So voltage is V2 divided by resistance is R2. So it will be V2 divided by R2. V2 divided by R2. So voltage V2 is, here we can see voltage V2 is 150. So this will be minus 150 divided by resistance R2. So resistance R2 is equal to 25 ohm. So this will be 25. So therefore I2 is equal to, this will be minus 6 ampere. To get the free notes of electrical circuits, check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. Thanks for watching.